Welcome back, everyone. You're watching the Canfield Farmer. Today is Oat Harvest 2021 Part 2. So let's have a good time. So we are here harvesting on another field. We got two. This is our big area of oats, and we're gonna get this. We're picking it up, and I got a full wagon here. I'm gonna take it up to the farmstead and get it unloaded. So that's kind of the deal. All right, let's take this slow. Got a full wagon of oats. Thankfully, oats are a lighter crop, so don't have to worry about too much. So yeah, one of the nicest things about this year is, the one thing that nobody, no farmer, nobody ever has liked about this year so far is the drought. Nobody likes that. And you know, like where we're at here in this area of Iowa, it's not like we have been like all dry, no rain. We've gotten sprinkles here and there. We got one good rain at one point that was also connected to some tornadoes at one point. But besides that, we're doing pretty good. These oats turned out really nice for the drought. They're really good test weight, really good yielding in a lot of spots. So the drought sure hasn't robbed us of a good oat crop. So I think we're doing pretty good. But the only issue is, if we don't get any good rain anytime soon, we're gonna have some really early corn, and it's probably not gonna have completely, you know, grown, and the ears won't be big, the kernels won't be too big. So that's not really good. But hopefully, all we have to do here, we got these oats to harvest. We got some hay we're gonna be baling tomorrow over that way. And once these oats are all done, we can bale the straw up, and then once that's all done, we can clean up the hay equipment and all that other stuff, get it put away, and then we can focus on our corn and soybean stuff. And then we should be, I think this year is, so far, I mean, stuff's been a little earlier, but I think we're doing pretty good. Pretty well. what we're doing right here with the straw from the oats is we're just spreading it out in the field. So then we'll till it in, and it's like, you know, it'll add nutrients for the next year. But we're not going to do this on all fields. Our cleanest straw, which is at the other side of the field, is on a flatter area, and there's less weeds, and it's just better. We're going to actually reset the back of the combine, and we're going to drop it in a windrow so we can come back and bale it. Sell the bales for, you know, for straw, for people to bed for their animals and gardens and stuff like that. So yeah, that's kind of what we do. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Have a good time.